Ohio.
Ohio.
Ohio, minasan. So, today we have a special episode.
Very special.
It's Goobie And Hoodie Feast, episode 3. This time we're going big. The thing is, we are doing... So what's this called again, the course?
Oxtail ramen.
Oh yeah. We were going for the shoyu, is that what it's called?
Shoyu ramen, I think, like made from beef.
But because we don't have beef, then we're using oxtail. But it's just not any recipe. I actually got the recipe from the Ramen King.
The Ramen King. Can you guys believe it?
The Ramen King. I thought I wasn't worthy. Like
there are a few who are.
There are a few that are. But he let me go through all the trials, and this is how it happened.
Strong, wise, intellect beyond the mind of man, the Ramen King.
Was I worthy to lay my eyes upon his recipe? A man from Breiðholt, the hood of Reykjavík, a college dropout with only $70 to my name, a failure. More accomplished men have tried, yet none have finished the test. No, I will not falter, my will shall not break. From a pussy to a lion I must awake. The stomach clan is always near. Hunger awakes them, only pain they will bring. Who am I to even try? More accomplished men have tried the trials of the Ramen King, yet none have finished the test. Who am I to even try? Goobie is the reason, not brothers by blood, brothers by food. Cooking made our bond stronger. The ingredients held our friendship together, and eating was a joy that we shared. Brothers by blood, no, brothers by food, and I must get you this recipe. My will shall not break, from a pussy to a lion I must awake. Okay guys, so we're gonna make the broth from scratch, and so we're gonna use all these ingredients. One thing, we're keeping things real. It's not Jamie Oliver again, so I'm so sorry about this kitchen. It's dirty as fuck, I know that, but we want to give you guys an episode, so
we keep it real here.
We keep real and we keep on making them, you know. So yeah, so we're gonna put some butter in the pan. Oh,
it's a lot of strength.
That's a lot of strength, that's true.
But the real question is, how high is the pan?
It's hot, as you can see. You can hear the sound, already chirping. We're gonna put it on high heat to begin with, because we really want to get the flavors out of the meat, but still have enough of it uncooked so it would get to the broth, you know, so it doesn't cook all the way through.
That's good.
So guys, maybe we should have a bigger pan, I guess.
I mean, wild man, barbarian.
So we have some garlic salt. Goobie, you wanna have honors?
Sure. How much?
Just go nuts, man. That's beautiful, that's beautiful. Then we have some black sea salt.
Look how beautiful that looks.
Look at that. And some pepper. Just go. It's kind of hard with a small pan, but we're not gonna stop to buy a pan because we want to give you guys a good show. And we ain't got the money either, you know. Okay, so we have some fine beef stock. And it's fat-free because the oxtail has so much fat already that this is just to give it a little bit extra flavor, you know. You wanna honor it?
I would love to.
Okay, man, go for it.
I love to. Put it in. All of it, or? Oh my gosh, a little. Just keep going. Just keep going.
It's taking a long time. Okay, guys. So, look at all these ingredients we have. We got the chili. It's gonna be spicy. You like the spice? Okay, guys. Get back up here, cameraman. We have some garlic. Goobie.
Fast for mental reset.
Okay, cut.
Holy.
So guys, mental reset over. Now we're gonna continue to put all the flavors in the broth. So we have the onion, we have the green onion, we have the garlic. You know, don't be afraid, just put big chunks in, you know, just put the whole chunks in. If you wanna get all the extracts from this garlic.
I love garlic. Has a lot of good flavor.
That's so much food. And then
And even a little bit extra chilies here.
we have some extra chilies here because this is gonna be really spicy. So should we just put it in? Do you wanna put some of this green grass onion in as well?
I would love to put some of this green grass onion in the soup. Here we go. Oops. A little bit on the floor. It's okay. It's okay.
And I have a secret weapon. This here is a different type of beef broth or beef enhancer. And it just has so much flavor. It just has so much flavor, Goobie. You heard about this before?
No. Is it like the cubes?
It's like the cubes, but in a liquid format, and
Awesome. I've never
even more
tried this.
tasty.
Never
I
tried
know.
it.
Thank you, Ramen King. So see, let me just put it in. Let's give it a good stir. Okay. And you all know this. Soya sauce.
Soya!
That's right. Do you wanna put it in?
For my people.
For your people. Just go nuts, man. That's okay. And then we have... She's late to the ball, but ain't she pretty? It's the sesame oil. And she's... How the fuck you say this? Sesame oil.
I think what you said first was right.
Yeah, I guess good enough. English is not our first language. Just bear with us, guys. I guess it isn't open yet.
It's not Jamie Oliver, man. That's how we do it. We keep it real.
Keep it real and we make it happen, you know.
Probably enough.
And now just we need to get this all in the broth, you know. We have to use something.
That's you probably get nothing bigger.
You're just like my ex-girlfriend, man. No, I'm kidding. Okay, let's keep on going. I'm afraid not, my friend. So, put this here. Just put this in.
Oh, fucking. Fuck. Við hvað það letis. Og þú veist með þetta hérna hér, hvað þetta hitt hér og litla í miðan.
So, Goobie has a fantastic idea. How to get these pieces all in a better fitting. You said I should take this one out and do it like this.
Wrap it around, yeah.
Wrap it around here.
Yep.
Oh, this is getting. Oh, fuck. It's. I lift this a little bit. Well, I guess somehow like this.
Yeah.
It's good enough, or I don't know. Okay, we just need a little bit more liquid than.
Þetta hérna undir.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna try another version. We'll try it like this, and yeah, I guess this is a little bit better. Right?
Þetta er the same. Nei, nú er þetta alveg að vera á það.
Goobie, do you know how to do it?
Nah,
Are you sure? We can just turn around later, right? Or
So, you could, like, if you put this bone on top of this one, then this is all the space.
okay, let's try that one. Fuck, it's hot, guys.
Oh my
God. Here. No way, I washed my hands before this. So it's just, we're staying clean, we're staying healthy. Yeah, I guess we just put a little bit more liquid.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe that's better, I guess.
Okay, that works.
That works. Then we're just gonna. I mean, let me just put the heat up. And so the only things left now is waiting for this broth to stew, to get to know each other, you know, different ingredients. So we're gonna leave them alone.
It's a hot tub of goodness right there.
That is a hot tub of goodness. A hot tub of delight. A hot tub that will make your stomachs pleased, I guess. I was trying to find something a little bit more creative, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. But if you try, you still are doing a good thing. Right?
That's right.
That's right. So, see you guys in a couple of hours. Was I worthy to lay my eyes upon his recipe? Who am I to even try? Goobie is the reason, he's the reason why. Cooking made our bond stronger. The ingredients held our friendship together. And eating was a joy that we shared. Not brothers by blood, brothers by food, brothers by ingredients, brothers by taste. Was I worthy to lay my eyes upon his recipe? A man from Breiðholt, the hood of Reykjavík. So guys, here we have the final product. So we're not as bad cooks as we look at times, because you guys gotta admit that this table looks, if I say it myself, it looks pretty damn good.
I'll say it also. Looks pretty damn good.
So we have the noodles here. It's egg noodles, Thai noodles. It's a little bit different, but the Ramen King recommended it. And then here, some people throw out the leaves from the broth. But I thought just to have it here as, just to try to enhance the flavor even more, but why not try to drop a little bit of it back in there? So
yeah, man. Like, these are some really great aromatics here. We got the garlic, we got the onion, and
we got the chili as well.
The chili and some leaves.
Like, I can understand why people throw it, because they want to have a more clean and good broth, but me and Goobie are barbarians at times, and we like them big chunks, And then of course we have the eggs here cooked to perfection, just like we like them in the ramen. It's still a little yolky, so it will,
You really did a good job with these eggs.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, man. And then the oxtail itself. So the thing with oxtail, it has very little meat actually on it, but we managed to salvage some beautiful parts here, and they are a little bit fatty, but me and Goobie, we love food very much, and I mean, we love every piece of the meat, so this is gonna be delicious, I think.
Oh yeah.
And then we have the grass leaf, and now we're gonna we're gonna assemble our dishes. So we're gonna take some of these fine noodles and try to make it look nice for you guys. Oops.
I'm just gonna go like this.
You see, I've done this before.
There we go.
This is not the first rodeo.
I've ridden this ride many times.
Let's put next the broth or everything.
I think we should put the meat next.
Are you sure?
I'm down for the meat.
I'm gonna put the broth on mine just because I'm gonna try to make it look picture perfect. Okay.
Let's just switch.
Cheers.
I'll get some broth.
Some of this beautiful meat. Then I'm gonna take an egg. You know what? I'm just gonna take 2. And then I'm gonna take some of this grass onion that's left in the broth. Maybe 2 bits. You want a whole garlic. This garlic has all the juices in it, man.
All the good flavor.
I'm just gonna eat one right now. This garlic would just be a starter on its own, no?
What do you think? Looks good, right?
Oh man, I mean...
Come take a look at this.
Come take a look at this guy. A little bit of green onion. And this as well. Can you see it? Oof. So yeah, you know, there is actually a method to our madness, you know. This is gonna be a feast that we won't forget. And end ever in our life, I think. You try it out?
Yeah, man. Seems like you already have.
Oh.
Is it good?
I just went in, man.
So what I like to do when I have noodle soup, I like to try the soup first. So I'm going in soup.
Oh. Oh, I think I can need a spoon.
It's really big. Yeah, what? You don't have a spoon?
I don't have a spoon. Hey, I will put it back in, okay? You can just use the one a little bit more before.
It's fine, it's fine.
Oh, it's hot. Dude, this is good.
It's really good. Beefy. It's really, really beefy.
It's beefy. Take a big bite here.
Noodles are really...
Yeah, you can repeat that. I'm sorry.
The noodles are good. Really
I agree.
well cooked.
Let's try some meat.
It's oxtail.
Let's try some oxtail here. Going in for some oxtail, guys.
The oxtail, it's like there's some like a gelatinous tendons in there. Really good, guys.
So, this is the first time me and Goobie cook ramen. First one's a charm, I guess, here. We did good this time.
We've done a good job.
We done a good job. And I'm just gonna give this, I'm gonna be honest, you know. I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10. The reason why I give it that high is because it was our first time, you know.
But there's always room for make things better. Yeah.
So, this was another episode of Goobie And Hoodie Feast. One more thing. Jay Muller, we fucking coming for you, man.
You're never safe.
Gordon Ramsay,
Can't
think
run.
you're tough?
Can't hide.
You're gonna be fucked up. Feel bad. Until the next one. So we're back, guys. Okay,